Here's a Cadillac to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1993 Cadillac Sedan Deville. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 66,000 is all in this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grille. 4.9 liter. Automatic with overdrive transmission. Paired up with that, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This car will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out all the still pictures, close to 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726, number to call. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see a copy of the window sticker, owner's manuals included with the purchase. Titanium would be the exterior color of this car. Light gray leather interior, as you can see. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. Power antenna does work. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Now, rear filler panels, intact. Does show a little wear. This one right there. Take a look at the rear bumper. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. A little bit of wear in this rear filler panel too, but again, considering age, not bad at all. Another thing to remember is we do have an open door policy. If you can't come to check this car out yourself, like a third-party inspector to come take a peek at it for you, give you a report back, feel free to do so. Take a look down the driver's side. So paint shows well, considering it's 1993. No major nicks, dings, or scratches, just kind of some of that wear on those rear filler panels. Let's check out the rear seat. Leather's in good shape. No rips, tears, holes. Front seat backs look good. Power seats, both sides, power windows, power locks. Here's that door shine in a second. See armrest, not showing much wear at all. Our driver's seat. Say about what you'd expect with a car with lower miles. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's check out the exact miles. And 66,325. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Mentioned the radio does work. The station that comes in here. Is radio working fine? Dash looks good. How about the headliner? Headliner also looks good. The slip around to the back seat, hear this run. Nothing out of the ordinary. I'd say it sounds pretty much like you'd expect. 4.9 liter in a 1993 Cadillac to sound. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. Check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Right, hood open. Let's check out the undersides of this first of all. Oh, clean that hood liner is. Doesn't appear this car has been driven in much spring climate weather. Looks like new hood struts. Both sides. And here it is. 4.9 liter V8. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. If you want to check out the exact amenities that this car has, take a look at the window sticker. Picture it with the still pictures. AC blows cold, battery disconnect down here. Automatic with overdrive transmission. And remember, this car is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. 1993 Cadillac Sedan Deville, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1993 Cadillac Deville, silver on the outside and gray leather, gray carpet on the inside. Smooth riding car, very comfortable. We've got leather seats. Lots of power from this engine. Digital gauges. Letting go of the wheel. She stays nice and straight. Very easy to steer. Quiet ride. That was the radio. There you go. Data center down here is reading 30 miles per gallon, showing how many gallons we have remaining, which is 9. We have automatic temperature control. It's an automatic on the column shifter and thus very easy to drive. Power windows. Brakes are working well. Windshield wipers are working. And we got some traffic. This is a very, very comfortable car. Appears in good condition. Reading 66,323 miles on the odometer. Still quite low for this year car. Yeah, very good throttle response. Take a look at all the details, all the pictures of this 1993 Cadillac DeVille at uniqueclassiccars.com.